I'm here on Infirmary Road in Sheffield because I want to show you one of the most fascinating little hidden workshops that I've come across in this area. Now, if you're based in or near Sheffield and you ever want a tool repaired, then you want to just come down, it's Balaclava Road, through this door and up the stairs and give Tony a shout. Now he said he's not too keen to be on camera, so I'm just going to show you his work area because I love it. And he said he doesn't mind me taking photos of the space. He says people do it all the time. So here we go. So this is where Tony fixes all his tools. Tony, I'm just taking this video now. I'm not gonna show you in it. Is that okay? So he has got, well, seems to me, a lifetime's worth of tools, repaired, half repaired, or spares. So I've just brought him. Let me just change the setting on this so I can turn it down. I've just brought him a Paslode, a Merkur Keros sander, and an old Makita palm router that he'll be working on in his workshop just through there. Okay, Tony said I can come into the main workshop as well. He's just nipped out. This is where the magic happens. Here are the tools I've just dropped off. A Paslode that's misfiring, Merkur sander and transformer, and an old palm router in there somewhere. There's all the bits and bobs. How long have you been doing this, Tony? Okay, 27 years. 27 years in this place. 40 odd years doing this kind of work. And he's 81 now. You just have to imagine what he looks like. Okay, see you next time.